go very close to this iceberg. The little chiquititos icebergs. Here, there, this is big. This big. Finger big. They say that in the mountains they live pumas and also deer and hares, and in the waters there are trouts and other fishes. This lake here is like 600 meters deep, which means like 6 blocks deep. I don't know how much is that in miles or real money. And we see the Andes Mountains, well, a part of it, the very shorter part of it. Andes Mountains are tall and sandy. Now, oh, there's a little chicky over there. And we're turning, the boat is turning. And we're gonna see the channel of the iceberg. We can't go closer to the glacier because of global warming. It is dangerously melting and throwing all these icebergs. That's why. 20 years ago I came here with my mom and we went almost touching the wall of the glacier, and I'm not exaggerating, and there were very few icebergs, so I guess that this is again global warming bullshit.